Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a box of wood screws, and I opened it up slightly. I didn't open up the whole thing, but there we go. This is what you get here. Oh, look at that, it's like a whole carrying case. You can bring your briefcase to work with wood screws. Okay, and so these are what they are. They are number 9, 3-inch, and they use an S2 PH2 bit. I have a Phillips bit on here. And so this is what they look like here. You can see they are, what is it? Does that mean galvanized? I don't know, like the metal where it's kind of steel. So these are good looking wood screws. And I have wood. We're just gonna go through the wood here and show you guys what it looks like when you screw a screw into wood. If you haven't ever seen that before, then you probably don't need to buy these. But here we go. This is what it looks like here when you're screwing it in. Screws in nice. It's got a good bite on the little one there, and you saw it. I even got a little, you know, where it kind of skipped a second, and it still has the good, you know, area in there for your Phillips bit. So that's really cool. So these are great, and now I've got my 2 pieces of wood stuck together that I wanted to, if I did want that, and we're good. So these is nice. You get a whole big set of them. This is 350 of them, so it's a lot. So super awesome to have. Thumbs up for sure.